How to change job and solo leveling arise. In today's video, I will show you how to change your job and solo leveling arise. So first, open Solo Leveling Arise and go to the character or profile menu. You will typically find it in the main screen or through the settings. Next, click in the Song Jinwoo menu. Here, you will see Jinwoo's current job along with the conditions for his next job change. Now, look for the icon indicating job change and click on it to access your job options. Scroll through the list of available jobs. Each job has its own unique abilities and strengths, so pick the one that best fits to your playstyle. Once you have decided, tap on your chosen job to select it. Finally, confirm your selection. Some job changes may require resources or items, so make sure you have what's needed. And that's it. You have successfully changed your job and solo leveling arise. Now, go explore your new abilities. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.